A priest so young, a priest so true, a priest loved by everyone he knew, a priest courageous, a priest in truth, a priest who gave his life for youth. Such a priest was Father Thomas, fondly remembered as one among us, one who thought about others first, one who for only Jesus did thirst. A deep love for Mary filled his heart. The rosary was a prayer from which he would never depart. Deep in prayer and with a joyful drive, Father Thomas was devoted to his priestly life. No greater love has a man than when he gives up his life for his fellow men. Right till the end, he remained so true to his promise to Jesus and to me and you. His life lived for others was a race well run on the path to eternal life which he has now won.